Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Wi-Fi doesn't have valid IP configuration. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset space, catalog. Type netsh space, int space, IPv4 space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /release. Type ipconfig space, /renew. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check use the following DNS server addresses. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, click Model, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.